Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve RDN Sokal puzzle. This puzzle was made by Jean-Claude Constantin. It has difficulty level 10 out of 10 and the object is to remove the ring from the puzzle. And as you can see, you can remove it from the stand, but you can't remove it from the rope since there are two big wooden parts at the end of each rope. But there is a solution how to solve this puzzle, and I will show it to you a little bit later. If you like RDN Sokal puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. I will start with the part of the rope on the right. First, grab the big wooden part and put it inside the cutout in a stand, like this. Now you have to take the ring, put it up, all the way up, so that you can put it on the other side, and now put the ring inside the cutout and over the loop that is on the right. And now remove the ring on the other side. Now you have to take the part of the rope that you put through the cutout and put it back, and you can put the ring back on top of the stand. And as you can see, now the ring is between two ropes, like right in the middle of the loop, but before it was on the bottom. So next, what you have to do to solve it is to put left part of the rope inside as well, like this. Now you have to put the ring up over the stand, and now you have to put it through the cutout in a stand. And as you can see, I was able to remove the ring. That's how you remove the ring. And now you have to put it back, so you have to do exactly the same but backwards. Put the left part of the string through the cutout in a stand. Now take the ring, put it through the cutout, and now you have to put over the loop on the left. And next step, what you have to do is to put the ring over the stand, and now you can put the rope back to the left side. And again, the ring is right in the middle of the loop. So the next what you have to do is to remove the ring from the stand, put the right part of the rope inside. Now you have to take the ring, put it through the cutout. Now you have to put the loop on the right through the ring, and you can remove the ring on the left side again. And now just put the ring over the stand, and all what you have to do now is just to put the wooden part of the rope through the loop, and the puzzle is assembled again. That was the solution of RDN Sokal puzzle. Very difficult puzzle. It takes quite some time to find the solution, and it is really complicated solution. If you like RDN Sokal puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!